is early morning. A cold autumn wind is blowing through tree branches and leaves of various colors are falling down to the ground. Sun is slowly rising up. Nature is starting to wake up again. But someone was already awake. Big Mike was there, meditating on a peak of a mountain range, and now he is present. He jumps. It seems like he doesn't even know what a fear is. Then he lands in the freezing water of Glacial Lake by the mountain. He is enjoying this moment, not feeling cold, but a pure presence. When he is done, he heads home to meet his beautiful wife and start his day, already feeling amazing and driven to achieve much more.
We'll slowly get comfortable with this. For the first time, it's gonna be hard, tough, but repetition makes perfection. So yeah, you're gonna feel like me right now. I'm pretty confident. I can sense spikes all over my body. I don't feel cold anymore. But keep breathing, keep moving. Do not get into a state of hypothermia. That's why I suggest to hit a workout, a training session immediately afterwards, after this cold exposure. Now I'm done. I'm gonna dry myself and head to a gym. Also check immediately after cold exposure. First thing in the morning, following my Life, My Vision protocol. If you want to get more information about this protocol, link is down there below video. It's a self-improvement forum, absolutely free. So nothing to worry about. You can join right now and check it out. Increases testosterone and better your life. If you feel like it sucks, like you're struggling,